Whenever you become stressed in the future, remember this. You can always return to your breath. Let's practice this together now. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top for 5 seconds and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any stress or tension. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply, hold for 5 seconds, and exhale slowly. On the 3rd breath, as you exhale, gently say to yourself, "Relax now." Begin a body scan. Let's start by slowly blinking your eyes a few times. Now, allow your eyes to gently close. As you do, feel a wave of relaxation sweeping over you, like a soft, warm blanket of peace. Bring your focus to the very top of your head. Just notice how it feels. There's no need to change anything. Simply observe. And now, let your focus move gently down to your eyes. Notice how your eyes feel, and invite them to relax even more. Any little movements in your eyes, called rapid eye movement, are completely normal. It's your body settling into relaxation. Transition to deeper healing. Now, bring your attention to your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calmness and safety. And with each exhale, release any tension or heaviness. Gently shift your focus to your abdomen. Let your belly be soft, free of any tension. Imagine this area glowing with a warm, healing light. Finally, feel this wave of relaxation move down your legs to your feet. Let every part of your body feel heavy, calm, and completely at ease. Imagine yourself standing in a safe, beautiful place. This could be a beach, a forest, or a sunny field, anywhere that feels comforting to you. In this place, you are free, free to heal, free to grow, and free to embrace the love and peace that is already within you. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a final deep breath in and exhale gently. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. Softly say, "Thank you for taking this time to nurture yourself." Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Remember, you are strong, you are loved, and you are whole.